Hi students, welcome back to my journey. We are going to see sum number 23. 5x plus 3 divided by square root of x square plus 4x plus 10. So let us take I is equal to integral 5x plus 3 divided by square root of x square plus 4x plus 10. So as per the previous sum, we can write 5x plus 3 as 5x plus 3 equal to a into d by dx of x square plus 4x plus 10 plus capital B. So on differentiating, we get a into 2x plus 4 plus b. When I multiply a inside, we get 2ax plus 4a plus b. So we have to find the value of a and as well as we have to find the value of b. So let us compare the coefficients of x. So when I compare the coefficient of x, we get 5 equal to 2a. So a is equal to 5 divided by 2. So this is the value of a. Next thing, we have to find out the value of b. So for that we have to compare the constant. So when I compare the constant, we get 3 is equal to 4a plus b. So 3 equal to 4a plus b. So but we have the a value to be as 5 by 2. So 4 into 5 by 2 plus b equal to 3. 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So 2 into 5 gives us 10 plus b equal to 3. So b is equal to 3 minus 10. 3 minus 10. So this gives us minus 7. So we found out the value of a and as well as the value of b. We have to substitute in I. Okay, not in I, in 5x plus 3. So 5x plus 3 is equal to, we can write it as a value is 5 by 2 into 2x plus 4 minus b value is 7. Now I becomes, I is equal to integral, in the place of 5x plus 3 we can write it as 5 by 2 into 2x plus 4 minus 7 divided by square root of x square plus 4x plus 10. Now we can split the integral. So when we split, we can write I is equal to 5 by 2 is a constant. We can keep it outside. Integral 2x plus 4 divided by square root of x square plus 4x plus 10 minus dx minus the next one is 7. 7 integral dx divided by square root of x square minus 4x x square plus 4x plus 10. So 5 by 2 I1 minus 7 I2. So now we have to find the value of I1 and as well as I2. After finding that, we have to substitute in I. Okay, so we have to find the value of I1. So I1 equal to integral 2x plus 4 divided by square root of x square plus 4x plus 10 into dx. So here if I differentiate the denominator, we can get the numerator. So we can write t is equal to x square plus 4x plus 10. So dt by dx is equal to 2x plus 4. From this we have to get the value of dx. It is just by cross multiplying. So dt by 2x plus 4 is equal to dx. So we found out the value of t and as well as the value of dx. So we are going to substitute in I1. Okay, so in I1. So I1 equal to integral 2x plus 4 divided by root t into dx. dx is nothing but dt by 2x plus 4. 2x plus 4 gets cancelled and we are left with integral 1 divided by root t dt. We know what is the value of 1 by root t integral. It is nothing but 2 root t. On simplification, we will get 2 root t plus c1. In the previous sum also we found out this value. Okay, that is 1 by root t. Next, 2 into t value. In square root of t value is x square plus 4x plus 10 plus c1. So this is the value of I1. Next thing we have to find out the value of I2. Now I2 is equal to integral 1 divided by square root of x square plus 4x plus 10 into dx. So here let us consider the denominator. Consider x square plus 4x plus 10. So we can write x square plus 4x plus 10, we can split it as 4 plus 6 in order to get x plus 2 the whole square. So here we can write it as x plus 2 whole square, and the remaining 6 we can write it as root 6 the whole square. Now we can write the value of I2. I2 is equal to integral 1 divided by square root of x plus 2 the whole square plus root 6 the whole square into dx. So we can apply the formula directly, since it resembles the form 1 dx divided by integral or 1 or dx divided by square root of x square plus a square equal to log mod x plus square root of x square plus a square. So we can substitute this. So in the place of x I am having x plus 2, in the place of a I am having root 6. So log modulus x, x is nothing but x plus 2 plus square root of x square. So that is x plus 2 whole square plus a square. A square is root 6 the whole square plus c2. So this is equal to log modulus x plus 2 plus, on simplification, that is when we expand we get a plus b whole square. No? So when we expand, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So x square plus 2x plus 4 plus root 6 square is nothing but 6 plus c2. So this is equal to log modulus x plus 2 plus square root of x square plus 2x plus 6 plus 4 gives us 10 plus c2. So we found out the value of I2. So now we have to substitute in I. So what is the value of I? Let us move to the previous slides. Here it is. I is equal to 5 by 2 I1 minus 7 I2. We are going to apply it here. So I is equal to 5 divided by 2 I1 minus 7 I2. So this is equal to 5 by 2. I1 value is 2 square root of x square plus 4x plus 10 plus minus 7 log mod x plus 2 plus square root of x square plus 4x plus 10 plus c. Here even though we have 5 by 2 c1 and 7 c2, 5 by 2 c1 minus 7 c2, we get c. So this will be the answer. So 2 gets cancelled. So 5 into square root of x square plus 4x plus 10 minus 7 log modulus x plus 2 plus square root of x square plus 4x plus 10 plus c will be the simplified answer.